triggers already the AMLA to start filing cases.
Sir, kasama Senator Cheese kasi bago dun sa nirecommend.
Kasama na siya.
Nancy.
Kasama na.
Kasama na rin.
Kahapon kasama.
Si Speaker kasama na rin.
Recommendation pa lang.
Recommendation pa lang. Pero siyempre lahat na nabanggit doon, sensitive to matter to eh. Siyempre, wala tayo sisinuhin dito, lahat ng nakasama.
What
Sasama
particular
natin.
case, sir, ang nirecommend?
All of that, kasi malversation covers most of it sa pera. Ang pinakamahalaga rito yung crime sa pera na talagang nawala sa bayan, yun talaga ang kasong ilalagay. Pwede rin naman ang plunder. Kaya lang siyempre, iba ang figuring ng case of plunder at iba rin ang pag-prove niyan sa korte.
Sir, may ebidensya talaga si VP
Bernardo.
Ayan nga, i-evaluate pa namin. Kasi siyempre, sabay-sabayan dumarating yung mga testigo. Kailangan din namin ng leeway para ma-evaluate namin na maayos.
Sir, yung supplemental niya about Senator Cheese lang.
Oo nga.
Hindi kasi yun na tinanong ng NBI, hindi ako kasama rin sa nagtatanong. I am not part of the people who vetted the statement.
Sir, paano yung arrangement nyo as protective witnesses sila? Paano yung arrangement nyo with the Senate? Kasi dito sila, di ba,
Hindi, ayusin pa namin. I'm going to have a session with the Senate President about this matter. Kasi nga, yung iba sa kanila, mas madaling ma-access ang documents na kinakailangan namin para maumpisahan namin ang pag-evaluate sa kanila na maayos. Kasi many documents are in their possession, but they have no access because they're still in detention. So that's why we're requesting. That's why we're telling the Senate President, protected witnesses sila, so that the danger of them facing the possibility of them facing a dangerous situation is lessened para ma-case build up namin ito.
So sa until now, wala pang nakakwalify mapasok sa WTP?
Wala pang naka-qualify maging state witness. Pero basically, all of them wrote us to become part of the witness protection program. And that what we do here is that if they're real witnesses, kung di sila kasama sa crime, okay. Kasi madali yon. Parang itong nasa affidavit this morning. No?
Anong status sa ganun?
Ayun, madali hong i-qualify yun as state witness. Pero may evaluation pa rin. Siyempre, hindi sila part ng crime eh. Pero pag part ng crime, protected witness pa rin kasi they're still testifying for the case of the government. So we have the duty to protect them if they ask for our protection. Kasi usually naman yan, the court o kaya the police who take care, basta sa lahat ng klaseng kaso, may nagpo-protect sa kanila. In this case, if they ask the witness protection program, then we will protect them.
So there can be several state witnesses.
That can be, it's possible. It's possible. Siyempre, ang evaluation niyan, not the most guilty, kailangan yung testimony para maano yung kaso, at marami pa, meron pang ibang kino-consider dito.
Sir, si Gutesa, hindi ba accessory sa crime dahil nag-deliver siya ng...
Well, ano yun eh, ang nangyari kasi dyan, you can say that, no? Pwede sabihin accessory, pero very, very minimal ang role niya sa actual crime, di ba? Kung accessory, that's more or less a very light penalty compared to the principals.
Yung clarification si Senator Nancy at si Chishin na nagdag for request, no?
Yes, dagdag sila sa request for freeze orders.
Speaker,
Tsaka ilbo, tsaka ilbo.
Si Saldi, ano si Speaker Mike?
Hindi, ilalagay na rin natin yan. No, we will have to protect the interest of the state. Ano tayo dyan? Wala tayong sisinuhin. Mahirap tong kasong to. But ang aming sinasabi rito, wala tayong sisinuhin dito.
As far as freeze orders,
I-evaluate pa rin namin ulit yung statements. Pero ang tingin ko talaga, para ma-preserve lang lahat, we will have to work on that angle already. Kaya nga, we're working overtime. Hanggang Sabado, meron kami trabaho dito.
but have you officially requested AMLAC to freeze more?
Hindi pa, pero that's coming. That's coming very soon.
Okay.
It's a matter of ano.
Sila ba i-arrest? Yung mga senador at congressman, once na makasuhan, sila ba i-arrest?
Ano yan, matagal pa yan. Kasi preliminary investigation pa to. This is still the case build-up. Iba pa yung case yung status ng preliminary investigation at doon pa sa determination ng resolution ng preliminary investigation. Doon lang natin ipa-file sa korte. At sa korte ang mag-i-issue ng warrant of arrest.
So wala pang i-issue.
Wala pa tayo sa korte. Malayo pa tayo sa korte.
Second, at that amount, bailable may malversation at that huge amount.
Hindi na available yun. Malversation is not available.